Bitcoin is crashing. 3 rules to help you survive a bear market. This is Blake Storm, and we're going to go over these 3 rules in just a minute. But before we do, I want to hit on 3 key points to help you with your mindset in this bear market and also help you strategize during this bear market. The first thing I want you to understand is that bear markets traditionally drop faster than they go up. We had a huge run up in December, which was phenomenal. You rarely see that in any kind of a market of any type, but traditionally bear markets drop faster than they go up. So based on how fast we went up in December, I expect this drop to go down pretty quick and we will find a bottom pretty quick. So the good part of that is the pain is quick. It's not a long drawn out situation. The next thing I want to hit on is that when you're going through a bear market and things are dropping, what you think is cheap can often get a lot cheaper. Right now, when I look at the Bitcoin and some of these crypto prices, I think they're really cheap. In my mind, emotionally, I think they're cheap based on some of the prices we've had in the past, but the market would tell us how cheap can be, and most of the time in a bear market, cheap can get a lot cheaper than it is. Know that you're looking for some technical indicator to think so that you'll know that you're at the bottom, and don't just think you're at the bottom because something appears to be cheap. The third thing is oversold can stay oversold for a long time. So when you actually do get to a real bottom, sometimes it lingers there for some time. If you go back and look at Bitcoin in December, it topped out and it didn't stay there very long. Overbought usually doesn't stay there very long. Overbought usually stays there a brief time and it rolls over and starts going down. Oversold can drag along the bottom a lot longer. So when we get to the bottom, maybe possibly expect it to be there for some time. So on to the 3 rules. The 3 bear rules you must know is number 1, cash is a position 2. When you're in cash, you're not losing any money. If you look at Bitcoin, depending on where you were at in Bitcoin and when you entered, a lot of people wish they were in cash instead of Bitcoin. If you got in early, you're still in a really good position. But never forget, cash is a position 2, and that's where I'm at right now in my Bitcoin trading. I'm in a cash position looking for an opportune time to buy in. So cash is a position 2. You do not have to stay in the market all the time. Second thing is embrace uncertainty. I'm looking at Bitcoin to create many opportunities. I did a video a couple of days ago on how I believe Bitcoin is going to create some shorting opportunities in the actual stock market. So I'm embracing that. I'm pretty excited about that. And I'm looking for even more opportunities. Every day I'm scratching around trying to find some better ways to make money off of Bitcoin as it goes down. And the third thing is always know this: survive first. If that means going to a cash position, if you have the ability and the means to short sell, get in some kind of vehicle that you can short sell or put options, or if you're into the futures market, if you can get on the positive side of a downward cycle, do that. But always survive first. And cash, it goes back number 1, cash is not a bad situation. If you're uncertain, if you don't know what's going on and the market is going down, do not be scared to go to cash. Survive first, live to play again another day. So I'm putting together a PDF of my complete trading system. It has taken me over 2 decades to develop this system. So you'll want to keep checking in with this channel to make sure that you can snatch up this PDF just as soon as it becomes available. I will also keep making new videos each day. So like and subscribe. Be sure to ding that bell so that you can get notified when I come out with a new video. In trading, you must train yourself to be like the lion. Most people do business and trade like a scared gazelle. Train yourself to be like the lion. Dominate your domain. Analyze, educate, and when it's time to take care of business, you take care of business. Remember, if you don't kill it, your family doesn't eat. This is Blake Storm, SniperInvestor.com.